£14 trading account, $100 trading account. Now we will look into the lot size you should use for XAUUSD, aka gold, the metal. Now let's go to codes section. Codes, we are looking for gold. Where is gold here? We do not see it. Let's add gold. Now we go to commodity. This is where we'll find gold, metals, and we check gold versus the US dollar. We have gold versus the US dollar. We have gold versus the Great British Pound. We go back. We can add it to, we can add this one. Then we go back. We scroll down. We see gold versus the US dollar. Now, we press this. We press properties. If you're using an Apple device, you will go to details. You press properties. You scroll down. Why are we here? We're here to look at the minimum volume and maximum volume. Minimum volume is 0.01. This is the lot size you can open. We go back, we scroll down, we press chart, we press this icon here, we'll be able to see the lot size. If it's not like this, we adjust it. Now, second step, we must understand points. Now, points are simple to understand when it comes to trading gold. If right now we take a buy, for example, we take a buy, and it's first time buying, let's accept, take a buy. We took a buy there. You'll be able to see that we have this horizontal line. We press this horizontal line, we see SL and TP. I press SL, you'll be able to see this line here. If I move it like this, you will see it keeps counting. Can you see that? It keeps counting. So now this is for you to understand the points. So now we can move it to the left. You'll be able to see that this is 356 point is equivalent to 2.67 pound. So now the points, they give us an overview as to how much are we risking and how much money are we going to profit. So in this case, if we want to risk, we must start using using the lot size 0.01, the number of points. How many points can you risk on gold if you're trading gold? I will give you the maximum point you can risk, all right, so that you understand and be able to not be confused. I'm giving you my own personal experience and also other traders' experience so that you can actually take this information and review it. Then you'll be able to decide whether you want to apply the same or not. The maximum points that you can apply is 600 points if you're trading gold. Do not go above 600 points. If right now you are risking, your risk must not go above 600. 600 point is here, which will give you a 4.50 pound. Or in dollars, it can be around $6 or $5. Because my account is it's a pound account, so that is why I see this. So I don't go above this, based on the strategy that I use. The time frame that I use for confirming entry, I use M1, M5, M15, so that I can be able to mark my areas where I can place a stop loss and where I can place a take profit. It is that simple. So this is the lot size that you can use. And when you are risking the 4.50 pound. All right. If you're risking the 4.50 pound like this, that means that if your account is 14, you will divide it by 4.50. Then you will get how many chances you have for trading. So let's do that together. If you say the 14 divided by 4.50, you will get 3, which means you will trade 3 times. If you're actually applying the stop loss that I just showed you right now, the 300. But if you're applying the maximum stop loss, let's tap here, tap SL, which is 600, or this is the maximum stop loss, the 600, here 4.50, this is the maximum stop loss. You will have only 3 chances for you to actually trade. So for me, I recommend that at least add more chances here. what you can do is either you can add more money if you have. If you don't have more money, you can reduce what? You can reduce the risk here. How do you reduce the risk? It is simple. You no longer risk the 600, but you risk, let's say, 220 like this, or 224 points. This is another way for you to actually what? Reduce the risk. Or what you can do, you can say this 14, right? Divide by, let's say 3. You want to risk $3. And $3 will place you a stop loss at this area here. In this area, which is, it will actually place it around 400 points. Your stop loss will be somewhere here. So you are still within what? You are still within the, let's do it like this. If you say 14 divided by 3, you will have what? You will have 4 chances. But then if you say 14 divide, let's say you want to trade more than 10 times, you will have to risk 1.4 pound or dollars, depending on the account that you're using. So if you're risking 1.4, most of the time you'll be stopped out and then the trade will go to your direction, but it's better to at least risk the 3. So at least add more money if you like to trade gold. Gold is more volatile, so this is one of the way for you to actually stay safe on trading gold. So the lot size, use 0.01 minimum. Number of points, be careful of number of points. They will count how much money you'll be risking and how much money you'll be making. That's all for now. If you have any questions where you do not understand, and trust this makes everything easier for you actually to trade the gold, because you have the time frame M5, you have the time frame M15, you also have the time frame M1 for you to actually what? Execute your trades. So if there's any questions, you let me know in the comment section below. I love you all. Stay blessed.